All right, please give it up for Team Hate Speech Online.
Hi, I'm Jacek Janczura. I'm from League of Justice. We decided to use machine learning in identifying hate speech online. Hate speech is a huge issue for everyone. 85% of internet users came across hate speech. Here is an example of actual hate speech that was presented by AfD guy. And actually, since it's so common, it's unfortunately neglected. So there is no reaction for hate speech. So what we want to do is we want to create an awareness in people that we should report and we should not tolerate hate speech. And I want to emphasize that we are not fighting with freedom of speech, we are fighting with hate speech, actually. So let's present the demo. We've created an app that is using machine learning to classify a hate speech on Twitter. Recently, I got a mean tweet from Donald Trump. I felt offended, and right now I want to crawl the whole Twitter. Here is the feed of Donald Trump. It actually works. And I want to classify whole Donald Trump tweets and find out how much of them is a hate speech. In here, I've got two tweets of Donald Trump that are classified as a hate speech. And I can create a legal action. I can investigate this claim. I can ask a League of Justice to take a look at it. So we can submit it. And lawyers and legal students who are trained to spot if our case actually can work in court decide if we should act or not. Based on that, we can contact a lawyer, which means us, and create a legal part and just sue the guy. This tool can be used as well by prosecutors or lawyers or everyone who want to scan the websites, scan the profiles on the hate speech. And how about the law and the hate speech? Actually, the law applies to hate speech, and it applies to the internet. But in 2018, only 1,500 cases were taken to court regarding hate speech. We are in Germany. It's 80 million people. Hate speech is everywhere, and they were only 1,500 cases. Hate speech is a really sexy topic right now. Recently, Ministry of Justice created a draft bill to enforce websites to allow users to create a really easy, much easier hate speech reporting. Right now, the hate speech is as sexy topic as blockchain in 2017. Because this bill was created in January 2020. But actually, 1,500 cases, it's not much. And we want to change it. Let's make the internet great again, and let's make it visible, report, and enforce the hate speech in the internet. We've created a legal justice plugin for Google Chrome, where we can add the plugin to our Google Chrome. We'll automatically crawl through our feed on Twitter as we are looking through the Twitter, and we'll detect the hate speech, and we'll inform you as a user that you should report it. Of course, it's for free and you don't need to do it. But as you want to fight with hate speech, we should report hate speech to the websites to allow them to detect it faster and take down hate speech from the websites. Further use cases of our app, we want to build a plugin for the owners of the blog. Like you can imagine, I'm a blogger. I wrote a blog about politics. and actually I've got a lot of negative input on my website. I don't want to be connected with the hate speech, so I can use a simple plugin which will filter the comments, and basically I will get rid of the hate speech on my website. So thank you for the attention, and see you next year.
That is a very sexy topic. Thank you very much.